Have you ever wondered why some gardeners seem to grow huge tomatoes, crisp cucumbers? Believe it or not, their secret may not be expensive fertilizers or fancy irrigation systems. It could be a simple plastic milk jug. Today, I'm going to show you how to build one of the easiest and cheapest drip irrigation systems you'll ever make. It costs almost nothing, takes less than 10 minutes to build, and it can save both water and your plants during hot weather. So let's dive right in. One of the biggest mistakes gardeners make is watering from above with a hose or sprinkler. It looks like everything gets soaked, but much of that water never reaches the roots. Instead, it evaporates into the air, runs off the surface, or lands where it isn't needed. Meanwhile, the soil keeps swinging between soaking wet and bone dry. Plants hate inconsistency. Tomatoes crack after sudden watering. Peppers may drop flowers. Cucumbers become bitter, and many vegetables become stressed without us realizing it. The goal isn't simply giving plants more water, it's giving them water consistently. That's exactly what drip irrigation does. Instead of flooding the soil all at once, it slowly delivers moisture where the roots actually need it. Your plants stay happier, your soil stays healthier, and you waste far less water. Now here's the best part. You don't need to buy an expensive drip irrigation kit. All you need is a clean 1-gallon milk jug. You'll also need a small nail, sewing needle, thumbtack, or tiny drill bit to make the drainage holes. That's it. The first step is to thoroughly wash the jug. Any leftover milk residue can attract insects or create unpleasant odors, so give it a good rinse with warm, soapy water before getting started. Now comes the most important step: making the holes. Many people accidentally make them too large. Remember, this is supposed to be drip irrigation, not a miniature waterfall. Use your small nail or heated needle to make 3 to 6 tiny holes around the lower sides of the jug, about ½ an inch above the bottom. Don't make the holes directly underneath. Keeping them on the sides prevents them from getting blocked by the soil once the jug is buried. If your garden has heavy clay soil, 3 small holes are usually enough because clay holds water much longer. If your soil is sandy and drains quickly, you can make 5 or 6 holes to allow slightly faster watering. Here's a tip that many gardeners skip, but it makes a huge difference. Test the jug before installing it. Fill it with water and place it on a hard surface. Watch how the water comes out. You should see slow drips, not streams. If the jug empties in 15 or 20 minutes, your holes are much too large. A properly built milk jug can release water slowly for anywhere between 6 and 24 hours, depending on the soil and hole size. That slow release is exactly what makes this system so effective. In the next video, we'll install the jug beside our plants, learn the best placement for maximum root growth, discover which vegetables benefit the most, and I'll also share a few simple tricks that make this free irrigation system perform almost like a professional drip setup. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. If you're enjoying practical, science-backed gardening tips like this, don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with another gardener who loves growing more while spending less. I'll see you in part 2.